Hello, hello. Welcome back to my world. If you are coming back and if it's your first time here, welcome to my world. Thank you so much for stopping in to hang out with us here on Vancouver Island. My name is Lorrie, in case you didn't get that from the channel name. Although I don't know why you wouldn't. It's kind of like out there. Anyway, my name is Lorrie. My kitty's name is Tabby. She is whining. She thinks that she rules my world, but she really doesn't. Yeah, she thinks that she does. She thinks if she's loud enough, I will give in. She wants me to go and sit in my chair in the living room because it's actually technically Bible study time. So I should be sitting with my feet up and some low music on and my Bible study in hand. But I haven't done a video for a couple of days, so I wanted to pop in and say hello. Hello, hello, hello. And I'm going to try and do this all through in one shot, not have to do any editing, so I can just put this up there. Hopefully. Anyway, I wanted to talk a little bit about my second annual happy birthday live stream. And actually, last year on my birthday was when I did my very first live stream on YouTube. So it is an anniversary for me. I'm going to let her go. Hopefully she stops being a pest so I can get this finished. Anyway, I have a whole bunch of guests. I'm having a live stream. I'm going to try to go for 5 hours, which is really, if you know my live streams, you know that's really pushing it for me to be on live for 5 hours. So I've invited a whole bunch of guests to come and hang out with me and to help carry the show and to be able to give me a break to walk away now and then because I think I'm going to be barbecuing out in the backyard and yeah, all that jazz. Anyway, so I have some great guests. Gail from Gail Southern Living and Jan from Simply Jan Homestead. Nisi from Freehandly Made is coming, and Patty from The Tinkerer's Wife. And I think, well, of course, Mima and Stiff Dave will both be here because, of course, they live here. And you never know, Roy may put in an appearance. I don't know. He may show up if we're outside for 5 hours in the afternoon. You never know who might show up. And I did invite Robert from Homestead Aquarius, and Chicken Johnny says that he'll be there. And I haven't heard from that jellyfish over there on Team It Won't Grow, but I'm hoping that he'll show up too and come hang out with us. It'll be fun. Anyway, I'm also going to do a giveaway because why wouldn't I give things away on my birthday? I think I'll give away some art. And so you have to, what do you have to do to enter? You have to leave a comment on this video, give it a thumbs up, and I guess that's it. Thinking about making it complicated, but I don't think I will. Just leave a comment. If you leave a comment on this video, I will enter you into a drawing, and I will do several drawings during the live. I'll try to do one an hour or so, and you have to be there to win. If you're not there, I will draw again from the names that are still remaining, and yours will be tossed aside. So you have 5 hours while you can, oh dear, no, you have to be there to win. You have to be there to win. So yeah, that's the way it is. And I'm going to give away, I don't know, I'll probably give away a trivet or two and some paintings and maybe a clock or something. 5, I think. 5, one prize per hour, and you have to be there to win. So, yeah, we'll do that. I want to thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me and spending a few minutes of your day with me. I really do appreciate you all the time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's free all the time, and I really appreciate it. So does Meemaw. And of course, even though Stiff Dave doesn't show it, he appreciates it too. So I hope that you have a fantastic day. I will see you soon. Bye now.